Okay students, so now we will start with exercise 1.1, question number 1. Okay, so there is a number line which is given in your question, and we have to find out we have to first of all observe the temperatures of different cities which are represented as a degree in Celsius on the number line. So first of all, let us note down the temperatures respective to their cities. So number 1, first of all we'll start with Bangalore. If you can find out Bangalore from the number line, it is 22 degrees Celsius. So Bangalore is 22 degrees Celsius. The second one is Ooty, which is 14 degrees Celsius, I think. Yeah, Ooty is 14 degrees Celsius. Then the third one is Shimla, which is 5. Okay, then it is Srinagar, which is minus 2 degrees Celsius. And Lahul Spiti, which is minus 8 degrees Celsius. Okay, so here question number A is completed. Now question number B, what is the temperature difference between the hottest and the coldest place among the above? So hottest place is Bangalore with 22 degrees Celsius, and the coldest place is Srinagar or Lahul Spiti. What do you think? Yes, Lahul Spiti with minus 8 degrees Celsius. Okay, so always remember that whenever the temperature is increasing, that is in positive side, it means that the temperature is rising, it is very much hot. And whenever the temperature is decreasing, it is going in minus, it means that it is very much cold. So Bangalore is the hottest and the Lahul Spiti is the coldest. So we have to find the difference. So difference here means we have to minus it, we have to subtract. So 22 degrees Celsius minus 22 degrees Celsius minus of minus 8. Okay, we have to put it in bracket. We will apply the sign convention, rules of addition and subtraction. Minus minus plus. So 22 degrees Celsius plus 8 degrees Celsius, we have to add it. 22 plus 8, that is 30 degrees Celsius. Sign of greater. So here the greater number is 22 and the sign here is plus. So if there is nothing before the number, we have to assume that it is plus. So our answer is 30 degrees Celsius. Please note it down. Okay. Point number 3, that is what is the temperature difference between Lahul Spiti and Srinagar. So they are asking you the temperature difference between Lahul Spiti and Srinagar. So we have to subtract it. So difference between Lahul Spiti, that is minus 8 degrees Celsius, and Srinagar, that is minus 2 degrees Celsius. We will put up the brackets because it is minus. So first of all, we try to solve this bracket, that is minus minus plus, and then plus minus minus, we have to subtract. So from 8 you have to subtract 2, that is 6 degrees Celsius, and we have to put the sign of the greater number. So from this 2 number, the greater number is 2 and the sign here is positive. So answer will be positive 6 degrees Celsius. Clear? Note it down. D. Can we say temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than the temperature at Shimla. Okay. So in this question, first of all, we have to add the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla together, and then we have to compare it with Shimla. So let us add temperature of Shimla and Srinagar together. So temperature of Shimla plus Srinagar. Shimla is 5 degrees Celsius. Srinagar is minus 2 degrees Celsius. So we are adding it. So plus minus minus, that is 5 degrees Celsius minus 2 degrees Celsius, which will give us 3 degrees Celsius. Sign of greater. Here it is positive. So answer is 3 degrees Celsius. Now we will make a comparison between this with this. We have to compare this with Shimla. So if you make a comparison between this and this, you will find out the bigger number. You have been asked that can we say the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than the temperature at Shimla? So क्या ये temperature इससे कम है? Yes, 3 is less than 5. So answer is yes. 3 degrees Celsius is less than 5 degrees Celsius. Okay. Now there is a second part to it. It is also less than temperature at Srinagar. So now we have to make a comparison between this and this. So let us compare 3 degrees Celsius with minus 2 degrees Celsius. So is 3 degrees Celsius less than minus 2? No. We know that this is a positive number, this is a negative number. So this positive one is bigger than negative one. So answer will be no. As 3 degrees Celsius is greater than minus 2 degrees Celsius. Please note it down. Okay, hope you have done this. Now let us move towards question number 2. In a quiz, the positive marks are given for correct answers and negative marks are given for incorrect answers. If Jack scored in 5 successive rounds were 25, minus 5, minus 10, 15 and 10, what is his total at the end? So first of all, let us try to understand the question. That is, there is a boy named Jack who is playing a bit of quiz, and there are total 5 rounds in successive manner. Okay, for each correct answer is giving positive marks, and for each incorrect answer is getting negative marks. So in the question there are 5 marks which are given. We need to find the total marks at the end of the quiz. Very simple, sir. So Jack's final score will be, in the first round he scored 25. Okay, then we have to add, because we are finding total. Then there is minus 5. So whenever there is a minus, give respect to bracket. Once again plus, then minus 10. Once again 15 and 10. That is plus 15 and plus 10. Okay, we will solve it. So first of all, solve the brackets. That is plus minus, minus, plus minus, minus, plus 15, plus 10. Okay. So 25 minus 5, 20. 20 minus 10, 10. 10 plus 15, 25, 25 plus 10, 35. So Jack scored 35 marks at the end of the quiz. Okay. Please note it down. Okay, let me rub it out. Okay, in the question number 3, at Srinagar, temperature was minus 5 degrees Celsius on Monday, and then it dropped by 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. what was the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday? So first of all, let us note down the facts of the question in the board. So Srinagar temperature on Monday. Monday's temperature was -5 degrees Celsius. So there was a lot of cold on that day. Then it dropped by 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. So on Tuesday there was a drop. The word drop here is very important. Dropped by 2 degrees Celsius. Here the by means 2 degrees Celsius से वो घट गया है. Okay? You need to understand that the word here used is by, not to. If there is 2, then you need to understand that the temperature on Tuesday was 2 degrees Celsius. But now here it is given that it was dropped by 2 degrees Celsius. So by means the sum of reduction in temperature of Srinagar on Monday to Tuesday is by 2 degrees Celsius. वो 2 डिग्री से कम हुआ है, वो 2 डिग्री तक नहीं गया है. Okay? So temperature on Tuesday will be -5 degrees Celsius. Okay, then drop means 2 -2 degrees Celsius. So here we will put up the brackets, minus minus plus. So what will be the answer? Can anybody tell me? Yes, 7 minus minus plus and sign of greater, that is -7 degrees Celsius. Please make a note of it. Okay. Now there is another part to the question in which it is given that the temperature has rose by 4 degrees Celsius. Okay. So now Tuesday temperature was -7 degrees Celsius, which we just find out, and the temperature on Wednesday rose by 4 degrees Celsius. So rose means to increase. So temperature on Wednesday will be -7 degrees Celsius. Now we have to add +4 degrees Celsius. So plus minus minus, that is 7 minus 4, 3 degrees Celsius. Sign of greater, that is -3 degrees Celsius. So the temperature of Srinagar on Wednesday will be -3 degrees Celsius. Okay. So thank you friends. We will keep our lecture to this for today's session. We will meet in the next session. So thank you. Have a nice day.